How to see friend's birthday on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can see friend's birthday on Snapchat. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and tap on the Snapchat application and then go ahead to your profile section and tap on my friends. Now you can tap on see all my friends. Now then go ahead and tap on that 28th November right beside the best friends option. Once you do that, you'll be appear with your friend's birthday on Snapchat, and now you'll be able to see your friend's birthday on Snapchat. So this is how it is easy and simple. I hope you found the video to be helpful and easy. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.